I'm going to show you how to translate Magefan blocks in bulk using Elovate translations. I'm going to get right into it. You're going to press Translation Jobs, press Add New Translation Job. Here you can, logically speaking, create a translation job. So here you can see a translation setting. A translation setting is nothing more than a source plus target combination. So your source could be a Dutch store view like my admin, and I can use that content to translate it to an English version. So I'm going to press this and I'm going to give this job a name. I'm going to call it Magefan block English because these are going to be Magefan blocks translated to the English store view. I'm going to select a translation provider, DeepL or ChatGPT. I'm going to set GPT-5 Mini, moderator. So when you translate the blocks, does it need to be reviewed and by who? You can select here a few settings. These are quite important. So let's say I'm going to retranslate blocks. This is an excellent option, but this will also ensure new blocks that don't have a translation yet, they will also be translated. Automatically translations and continuous translations. So normally if I translate a block, it's done, it's perfect, that's very nice. But let's say a new block in the future gets created after my translation. With this option, this will also include new blocks, so this can be fully automated. So what do I want to translate? I want to translate blocks, blog posts, and here I could make a selection with the rule builder. In this case, I'm just going to say status is enabled, so I translate 4 blog posts, but we can translate from 4 blog posts to a million blog posts. It kind of depends how many blogs you have running on your Magento installation. Select glossaries. So let's say you have some specific terms you want to be taken account to. You can select them here and assign them to a job. You could prompt. So if for whatever reason you want to create a prompt, this is possible. So let's say you translate from Dutch to German and you want to change your tone of voice from formal to informal. This can be done by prompting. And once this is all set, you can go ahead and press Save Translation, and then Elovate will start translating these blocks to English. You can already take a look at it. So you see 4 blocks. These 4 blocks are, of course, in my Magento backend. If you go to Content and Blog Post, you probably will see these 4 blocks as well. If I press one of these blocks, so I'm going to press, let's say, blog post sample, you can already see there is a translation being made, and this of course reflects Magento. So this is Magento to blog post sample. That's this one. You see that my all store views, my global value is indeed Dutch. And if I store view switch to the English one, it's already translated. So that's how fast it can pretty much go. And this way you can, translate your Magefan blocks internationally with Elovate translations.